What you say you bay for? I na won't mean. Who you bay for? Then they show when you ask. Did they send you to come to the school to just disturb me? Huh? Since the first day you came to this, since you saw me in this school, you have tried to torment me, sir. I mean, feel still now that's why I didn't here. Huh? Why would you go around telling people that I'm pregnant? You started with Aroma, telling Aroma that I've been vomiting and things, and you went to Opoku or something. I don't even remember. And now you're telling school nurse that I'm pregnant. Me no na test me. What test me who say me? I didn't say yes, sir. Huh? Talk. I know you want to talk.
That's all I can say. Oh, sorry. That's all I can say. Oh, sorry. Into all I was saying. What do you want me to say? Menkate. Oh no, Precious, I didn't do it. Oh, Precious, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Oh, Precious. Oh, I'm so touched. Hey, Mama, quite like just what they are doing. It's my head is a mess also.
Hey, you really show me signs of witchcraft, and you don't cease to amaze me. You don't cease to amaze me.
Now when I who send me a bay for?
That's what I'm saying. You don't cease to amaze me. I'm surprised. Say, hey, Erade.
And then I who send me a bay for? Why mistake? Share. It rather enjoy me to me than no ponko in and me do it too. And then I'll be wrong. Share.
You are pregnant and you are scared to admit it. Why put it on me?
Who is pregnant?
So why you putting
it on me? Go and ask school nurse. Kola ko bisa no se me nyema. O me test no ko bisa mo se me nyema. Woni abre. Una wonyem. Ana wo de me ko viral se me na me nyem. It's not what me proving me ho se me nyem no mu say ye wo. Ana wonyem.
I'm not the one who started your pregnancy rumor, but you started mine. I started yours and I decided to also tell the people who needed to know. I started yours. But you started mine. And you have to end it. Did I tell Aroma that you are pregnant? You have to end it. Go to all the people that you've told I'm pregnant that I am not pregnant. You were lying.
Hey, my man can't say, baby, I better say what you need to be going one do. And I won't say no. Baby, I better say what could do mean you are no and could do.
Some say why you are no. Because I don't even have the time to be explaining to people. People are approaching me too much. I'm tired. Oh, be a shaman and you are pregnant. I've also not told anybody that I'm pregnant. So can't I just be sick for some time? Can't I just be sick? So I become fat and so what? I'm getting acne and so what? I'm sick.
Mama, when you are pregnant, you know it yourself. Maybe the about first one, so me deny so PM MPA.
MPA.
Ah, na say we ache. We say nche. E mo nko fomo be bo abasoro.
Ti be ye na why wan say be.
Me de be ye nde mi njaye o. She. Enche ye be ma me brand ambassador of be ye. Na me be jaye. Mi njaye o. And na jokra me no be ponko atu na ye ready.
Asanto go and confess your sins.
Hey mama nju me ho.
Asanto a.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so drum me.
Bestie. How are you? Why? What's the problem? Come on, don't do that. What's the problem? Tell me.
What should I tell you?
Why are you talking to me this way?
I don't know that. I don't know that you are self-arrangement like that.
As in how?
Me.
I want to share to who? Me.
Last time I bet to say on the boy it. I bet to say on the boy it. I can't also use you. And now so me buy on the boy in his heart.
I said they can watch me Opoku. So what's wrong about that? Any old school.
Me best you know I'm in third party be out. So I am best I am best me no one thing I kind of best you know. We both But those are for third party can one as the bestie relationship. Now say who name the who
I'm a bestie, maybe show me who was, but I can't find you anywhere. So what do you
expect
me to do?
Be bestie no now who him now umusa. Oh, as a free talent, you know. When it's she what school wo ne me nanam o se wo hia bibi kura na po bia ma na kire wade a o musa me ma me nkire say o e bia we nanim ade we na bitima kire o fiti an wa do pe
As me who na me work class the next day and then na ka person me
dey na
me to feel
dey na me beto na ni hwade ye na kwa so koto aduana no dey am ka kire o me ka wan ka say wo ne ne ntra obiom eso na asem ba na mo da so to enu asem ba sanam sa to.
Yes, sorry.
What is the story about?
Dai mi dispiace. Come on. Sorry, okay. I'm sorry, no. Since you was saying that.
Ana come say.
Mi dispiace.
Na say dey can different term.
They be different. And you know a word for.
Sorry na mi dispiace.
Mi dispiace. Perdonami, not just forgive me.
Perdonami. And thank you no cry dey. Grazie.
Say how you do.
And yes, sometimes obi pe wa asem anso pe na asem. We are sana as nipa no ma nipa no edo nipa no wo ma na se so.
Dey say how part some pembe
me pe but once me pe wa asem. O ba enye me na mjiji we.
Ba we mu na we nti mu na we ni child best.
O ba me mu na ti me mu na ma de me nti me mu na.
Nya ma me piano mo so na on pesa met.
Ma me so me mra. Memba. On say basa ebufo de o say me bufu. Sisi a me hwe na bibi kochima sisi ana bibi nkoyi a. E o say me na me hwe na me straight. On dem che wo ye hoho so na wi akọ ne niamo. Hoho so nto abontimpunu. Ti wo ye bibi na mfa kwan ma. Hoho wo say kuruma ni tinetin. Wo ba to me wa ha. Dem e kire what I say.
Ma to as.
It's a feel okay.
But I point now they are showing mu na umnim na chere.
Oh, say no dey tie.
So me
mu now. Na me mu now betu ma family.
Me dey na why yet
na me mu na family. I say me mu na why nti ma family. Me mu na nti me family.
Mu na enyo. Ya me dey.
Nti na me mu na no. Why ti we na ebufu why? Then I can.
Yeah, also apologize. It's my sorry.
Oh, money.
Yeah, me pay what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so jam me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray let I go.
Yeah, Opoku.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I've been looking for you. Can we talk?
I'm busy. I'm busy. Why?
Oh, beg, just 1 minute.
Is it a long conversation?
No.
A short conversation?
Yes.
Okay, talk.
You see the new girl, your friend, her name Sharon or something.
The new girl.
Sharon.
Italy girl.
I don't know. She
My bestie.
Yeah. No, I'm your bestie. Oh, okay.
Sure. Me pia on sin jan e. Every me dey me ni wo your bestie na say o slack ya na wo ye bibia. Eno anu me pia on sin jan o. Na ma fa bestie foforo. That you are slack.
No, I haven't.
But still you are the first bestie. She's the second bestie.
Understand that.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah, you are the first bestie. You there, everybody know that you are my bestie since childhood till now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she has been moving in a certain way that I don't understand. It's like
Moving.
I've been seeing her around my man.
My man. Which man?
Aroma.
Is it a perfume rice or which aroma? Which aroma?
Aroma, my boyfriend.
But until when you need to know Chakola.
Yes. She has been working, I don't know, yeah, I've been seeing them together and I don't like it. So I want you to ask her. I've asked Aroma. Aroma said there's nothing going on. And you see, you can't really believe a man like that. The girl is also not my friend. Yes. What we always do, just go and ask her whether they have something going on. And since I'm your first bestie, you can do that for me and come and tell me.
Now, who is it? Aroma no get any OBB.
I have a feeling.
So no get no OBB.
If I also feel like something is happening, I also know. And I've been feeling that way.
And then come bestie, come dinner who ya papa. Come dinner who ya we say mamma can't show first of course. Me bestie on yes amana. I want me back from two, I want me back too low. The day Aroma no on yes amani bill.
What are you saying?
On yes amana or my John or more Aroma me date
You're insulting me.
How?
Why are you saying that?
Hey, sorry, you are dating Aroma, but the main person channel so say girl no too high to date Aroma.
How is she too high?
She's high.
Why?
Ah, now you're bad. Sure, bad original. She still does nanti. She still does kasa. Ah, or kasa. She still does chuchu ne ketrema.
So I'm not like that.
You are not romantic. Kiti classy. You can't about when you romantic. Wa, you romantic. Kiti, no be about me di banku 7 balls. Who you romantic? Ah?
When did you see me eating?
Who di banku? Who di have wa funa ene banku nkwa? Ah, hi, ebrosam na hi molisam. Ah? Elsire. Bianen kwa common romantic say oba pa any romantic.
So will you do it all? Oh, I'm serious.
Media again dear say me can meet ma akogina na. Hey, how can I go and tell my bestie that
Who's your bestie?
Yes, but I can't go to my bestie and ask him that are you dating Aroma? What kind of question is that?
I know you can just start a conversation and just be like, oh, is something going on?
Na get no crown on so no. Or say say odi Aroma nyam kra no you different.
I don't like that. I've already told you I'm not pregnant. What is that?
Who shout Tiana? Are you raising your voice?
I'm sorry, but you know I'm not pregnant.
Every person who are you raising your voice?
I'm not raising my voice. I'm not pregnant.
Kadi efebe your time. That tomorrow now he cancel blue no. Kadi efebe your mean to bass new. So they want top red I come blue. You can't say mate. Me hwese metimo bisana. But me ntimo musana so there no any problem.
You have to.
Me see me hwe.
You have to. In case I'm actually in that situation, the pregnancy situation. In case I'm actually in that situation right now, my boyfriend is moving towards someone else.
It's not in case you are pregnant.
I am not.
You are pregnant.
No, I am not.
You tell me the truth and let me go and ask the girl. Listen, I don't like a lie. If you lie, I won't go and tell. Precious, you know, in everything for this side, we fight, we do everything, but I like you. You know that, and you like me. We like ourselves. Yes, together as one. Precious, put everything for this side. Precious, you are pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
Precious, everything shows that you are pregnant. You have become big, and your teeth.
Food. My teeth, babe.
Your forehead, your cheek is being big. And your eyes has koyon when you have to tum.
But you said it's because of food. Now it's because of pregnancy. You don't want the food one. Me didi san.
You are considering.
So
tomorrow no call blue so.
Oh yeah, it's fun. Oh yeah, fan of team ben.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, team ben.
Me me kati ma me na obe penti su bebere.
Oh yeah, color.
Kotoko.
Oh yeah, color ben.
Omo ye green, black, yellow.
Timi choose back.
Debi kika bom ne spray sa asante kotoko asante my color no. It's black, green and a yellow.
Any neotech ko betumi ayesa na.
Neotech. Me wo ge bi wo Bokro Messi to Seer so. Your friend Francie Vibe and Glow.
Francie
Vibe and Glow. Obey your more kama. On the year titru phone na more. Share. Ayi more on the year agrada. On the shisha agrada more man.
Okay.
On not dear. Gendo you good papa. Or you good intino. So what's the agrada?
So will you give me the money to do it?
The money to do what?
To do my nails. Yeah, the one who is complaining. So you give me the money, I'll go and fix it.
Nah, I don't know him.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so jam me. Wanyanchi. Really? Who so mama say I don't know from me. Wanyanchi. You know, so yes, it's and it's hard time they have more. Oh, you're quite on. I have a kind of a friend in your candy and I can do it.
Yo, coffee. Can you say hello?
Ah, it's a wonderful.
Yeah, do you want some?
That didn't have to
Oh, but you're going to you're only friendship.
Thank you.
Baby girl. Yeah, it's always a limit. Salut! Senior. Hey! When you're more broke, David, I mean, more someone pet the pay. Who's radio? I can't talk again. Che, just a day. Just any baby, you know. Hey, salut! Yes. Dabi. Nurse and okra. Yeah, che. Hey! Ready as I meet to a open. Baby, I can't talk again, salut.
It's not a
Dabi, into what started Dabi.
Oh, and che. Someone pay me pay.
Meso me pe.
Oh, do be pay. Dabi don't mean some.
Me pay.
I didn't know.
Salut, Paddy.
Then one is safe. Mona mohon sa. Onyafo.
On pay the ejuma hon.
Baby of like me kakra onyafo sa.
No nu so nyan to atale o de.
Atale.
That was brew school mu a.
Yes, she. Nyame mrene mrepa. Ofane bo Anthony ntemele de wanya atu.
Ene yakopon bo yo to ye de. Na sa o dodge.
Baby me.
Hey, salut.
She wo de wanyo. Adi obi ampe na makwagya. Na kebede na ayo ya.
Hey.
Adi edeso no bewu a.
Meso matia kaso.
Minu. Yewu. Nkebede na ayede.
Ayo ya.
Bo.
Bede na me.
Gardina.
Me.
Gardina.
Ano kopɛ ana.
Me kopɛ den.
Wa mepɛ.
No so peme.
Hwɛ. Dan me shana, me kama ne shana kama ka so pro. He.
Why na me dey.
Akete.
So ti me dey.
Hey, me chire samfo. Nya kama na ye share ka so pro. Me pro.
No na ni bom share.
So la wa pɛ ma.
Me ma pɛ ma. Me ne kama na Africa nti oba na nya kama na ka so pro. Me.
Osin na ni jime ho ko ni se ko na point for to chine.
Hey.
We do mu ne ho. Si ni a mu ne ho. Me hu bi da.
Open kola.
Open kola. Oyo mu kasi ewe.
What the best me record. O me pro.
Na benya.
E ba be failures am si.
Hey.
Na tie. Wo papa ya we.
Oh, you are saying as here, where?
Wo papa ya we.
On the my damn you question.
Wo papa e wiki do.
Anu aja ni so ni akodi.
I know mama rubber say me jim fan ball ho bai.
Wo papa e wiki papa.
Supportive dad. Uno wenye bi.
Bam.
Papa die. Ti me my dad just afo no kwa ne nkodama no aduane asi ho. Me the rubber bi a she pillow na se yi fa. She rubber.
E kan se ma so. So wo papa se bi so support wo ne aketi ayiwe ya hwe ho. Papa no wicked.
Onye wicked bia.
Unless say bia catch me say bia o fan fully me. So papa support wa we a.
Adede ohunu njindi ana.
Njindi.
Na bi some me.
Yeah, this what tensene.
O dear.
Okay, nya mo ma no bra no.
Da ya bonte.
Dabi. O de manu manindru o mamu fe, manindru o ke.
Onimbi o.
Manindru o de say.
Ebedu asam.
Okay, o fe ne mo ma so. O fe no mo ma so.
Baby bra from mama mesa. Ashu.
Onisia.
Ene, so papa ya we de ene eno ano no, right? Mo bi afọ.
So ya wo wi bi ntimi so mi wi.
Eno ano no a obi ara bi. Di appointed pen o de ne kaka eden.
E de ben.
Ebo.
Mama no nyaye. Mama no kwansa.
Ono mu enya da. I cannot deny you.
Oh, yeah,
I cannot deny you.
Unyaya. Unyaya.
Enko baby.
Unyaya.
Esi onya. Enko baby.
Wo dan poma me to me no mare.
Very romantic shows.
Then
don't say me puye no.
Yeah, puna mere.
Now say okay, be me nyenche.
Sa na mo ma na etin.
Puna mere. Pudogi na mere.
Makuti mere.
No diachi.
Me da.
I'm the better to me be.
Owa.
Wa da jina hu sesi ya.
Sha.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any monster meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that
That's him right. Oh, now I'm a team for auntie. Auntie, are oh, tie. Hold on. Me no wudi nkomo. Are na wo pre hu. Are wo kwai.
Kwa ni mo.
Na wo kwai ni mo ni pe fro wo twa fa so.
Ah? Also.
We dey na bibia. Ayi your friends gay ya wa Italy ni gay.
Why?
Sharon,
yeah, Sharon.
Na me see menu din komo afa no. Girl no who ni say.
Oh, cool. Yeah, she's cool. Yeah. My first time I mean encounter there, yeah, she's cool.
Yeah. What's the name? No, so na koyo no on collar no.
Oh, David.
Oh, guys, ana me mahu. Chere wachere. Me mahu da.
Oh, dey.
Mo se mo collar.
Oh, David. Oba say first time I mean ni share na o say hu. Nema bi ani sunti a me nchechire no kakra odi.
Oh, anyesa akra minim ya won so ne twempana. Ba se no so hu so as to manwan.
Yo, obisa me say me ni bibia. Ara wo tutu mamoni ahye nenu ana.
Na mamoni de meda to mamoni ahye na me ya bomu.
Na asem ya wo bisa me asem se enye me bibia no na ase wo for so ka tse na wo.
Enye ne sa. Ba se na nsem hu se de ase osi ni ne movement. Se de osi ne nam ho no. Enu ntina ase me bisa sa. Na me no me hu nyoma mienu bia. E kire se akra no na twempana.
Ba ko ye den.
Ase de na ne sada oku.
Na ne to so bi nyere.
De so na mote ho read book.
Na obisa me se den. Me se obai. E be ka kire me se.
Sempo no say secret a de ka kire me no te se majai konkonsa na nyina o secret a ka kire me na re me te precious me bo amane.
Yo, point of correction, precious enyim saka sa no kasa na we yi
eno nanche ba akwa no twa
Opoku
one ne dai okay ase wa hu se obi mu na ba wani chiri wa ho achari
machi den na we. Yo, listen, me nya me niam asa bro. Me ndi magro sa. Yeah, me obebi a me ye me like o. Se o me ne o bibia nka me ka che. Se me so, ade me so.
Ene Aroma yi.
Me so.
Kuni ni bibia ye de na fine.
Ade.
Na emo ho musuo na nwene kura se oni akra no benya bibia ye. Asema me ka tini ye. So oni akra ni bibia ye. But na nwene da e ma ne ma trimu da. Se o person oni akra no nya bibia.
Warning ana.
Warning.
Hey,
because akra no I want to know no. I am a precious thing.
Now what then? E dey na nya precious thing.
And I me chiro say e ma ne ma trimu da. Say ubenya feeling bia ma akra nza opso no na twempana na bibia ma ne ma trimu da.
Who din komo me pese me hu say e warning ana say o prompt me.
Asem na me ka
chiro. O ka asem na warning me.
Enye warning asem na me. Anka warning ka be bibi.
Ma me hu say warning.
Ni me nyina both of them.
Who tell me warning?
Enye say me te warn you. Ba me pese me ma ya aware. Say akra no. Se feeling bi ba o mu se bia opa bi se bi ba ma.
Ye no akra no me pe no also. Yeah, feeling bi wo me den. Den na be.
Say ho na mu se akra no.
What be say me ne bibia ne yentama say still now you are putting it to me say me ne wo bibia. Also
putting it to. Na say asem na kan wi. Ba me pese me kire say se nya sa ade a e ma ne nya ho. Na me pese me kire.
Charlie, we have bo nana. We have bo jai say how long talk no. Anything our friend nana.
Anu nti na me friend ti say bibia ni ho sa ade ama.
Na akwa na de oden no. Oden no.
Ozo he am me den no.
Me sha oden no. I say okay. O be so o ka say asa obi bi na ye girl nana. Enti me ntwe me ho free no.
Say bibi bi say
asa o girl no.
Oh, David. You never girl.
Na bo say on your girl dey want me meti me warning say me hwe me hu ye o.
Me menti warning o.
O say what me warning.
Asaba me kan wonti ase. Mabisa asa akra dem na ase nyo hwe no. Ana me say for so man name e yo hwe because
me say wase woni de bia nye de bia na be ye kasa say. Me ye boy, we ye boy. Ending komo. Are we need you ho.
Oh, David. Say nipa de nipa ye nipa.
Ene kekama me manage no.
Me keka akra na ma ho. No no bi nyim no.
See man. So me hu adwen.
Enyo na no bi nyim no.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come anymore.
Hey. Schoolness.
They are some.
Schoolness go me ya go play.
They are some.
I say me hu sem so mu sa are.
Na nya samfu na mudi yen. Odi samfu say e bi jan be ka say they are.
So they be obi di samfu school mo. Bibi ni nya go play.
Edi abote wo tu obi papa be na wo ye.
Ba schoolness ti o de.
Wo tu papa be na wo ye.
Matias be me di ho yawo.
Fa kwa asem frako, dia asem abete bi ni me sa me fa asem bi en fa nhye me.
School na say na asem no be di nkomo bia wo ase na wo di kan de ase wa fra me. Asem hu ye wanyi.
Na wo to school ma wo ye papa.
School na so di twa so di twa. School na den na wo ahwa ama oba boy salu no. Oba na den wo ahwa ama wo di nsanfon sa.
Me be
di nsanfon. Sa kwa no na di nsanfon na so no onim o ya akwa nim de o ya na wo penyin so.
Wo yale me be
penyin so.
Me be di nsanfon.
Na don't so mplanche na oba na etwe nsanfon no di sa ge no na etwe mplan na wo wasan ase no. Wo san ase na nim se kwasi asem na wo ye no school nurse.
Me be etwe mplan. Me ba no otwe mplan school mu a. Me ba no wan na etwe mplan wo yale o.
The fast and pretend
wo de be fast bi atum ba se me si akwo waso.
Enye wo no ne ge na etwe mplan wo wasan ase a wo ge wo krampo na wo de dan kin ma o ne ge ne se omo nko hye
me dan kin ma. Wunim na ade asem bi beto me ba no so duma me diu no wundi
oba we me de asem oto no so menya de na efi oba we me de asem so me
me be fi sa what time be sa sabre
ene Jacob Salu ye kan oba no de otan na won una otan no ye kata na otan se oba hwama oba boy Salu ne sa akete we akotwe mpena no una otan no
me ba ne wan
oba hwama oba boy Salu ni akete boge sa adwe akete no fomo
akete bay
oba hwama one na twempena so na otan no
akete bay.
Now the time the girl no crab on him say da me girl ni say no. It won't dream who say sabi buyer we on oba no mo match.
Akete akra akete bi o nem
for me mbu ani ngu so. O ya we say oba no ni akete twempena. Omo twempena mu adia school mu amanfo hu. Omo tali bia ho a baby a obi etwem obi ehu omo bia ya we.
Nice me. Mimi ba any akete etwempra mimi ba etwempra
we penyu yes amenye we ya amenye sa nice girls so school month we akete be kire no ama na hu se o
fa kwa se film school na say ama kuma woni ho akete ho na etwempra
we be din sem fun se wo
mimi ba hey Adam sa se mimi bu se me be na mhwem na nye no kura Adam de me yi school mu ano
dabi o
de me yi school mu ano ka se me kura na mi Juma me do school mu a
Jacob Salu na say
wo ka tem se mimi ba wo me be won pen no asem me be mo won pen no asem na me be obefa obi ku akete de okofa no
so ya am confused
me be okofa obi ku akete de okofa no say
na say wo ni mo hwe
wa bo dam semfu se de o me kasa na ye de
mahu ba no ne akete so mo tali dua hu di odo a omo ni age o ka me hu o ma na mbisa ase nti wo papa ya we o ka che me san o wasan ase o krampo na wo mo o dan ni kin mo mo ko hye wonom wasan ase ama o so o kra timi toto ne mama ne so fan koma akete
wo se mimi toto ne mama mimi di misika toto ne mama so mama
o school mu ane man ko awie bi mage no school jersey na de ko bobo na ye hu 5 no so na asesai Sadi we ye beat me. Uhwe ma say school nurse no kwa onhye da nim. Na say oboy Salu nko ye isu na adwe ama me say ne papa nimu na nka ma edin. We dey. Ode mami nko.
I always tell you that I don't like sitting here. The mosquitoes here are too much.
We don't have any other choice. The conversation we are about to have, nobody's supposed to hear about it.
You could have had it in front of the hostel.
It's fine. You can go back to the hostel when I'm done. I don't understand you. Why would you tell Opoku to help you out with something? Opoku of all people.
What's wrong with Opoku?
What is wrong with Opoku? Opoku is going to spread the news.
If he tells people that I'm worried that somebody might take my boyfriend, then he should spread it. I don't care. Yes. I just need to have a peace of mind. I just want you to help me find out.
He's He's not a girl's friend. What's your problem?
He's the girl's best friend.
So wait.
The second best friend.
It doesn't really matter. If you are supposed to get to the girl, the only solution is you become friends with her. That's the only solution. That's not how she said.
I the girl her, so I don't like it.
We all don't like it. The only solution is And no, the town for me, that's the only time I get to see her plans. You know, at the end of the day, I can't say much sure about what's going on around her and then in her life. Let's start getting her gifts. And me, you're two women, I'm trying to be a man. You're the young California, the young man.
You tell you why they did that.
And that's fine.
Yeah, I'm not ready for that. It's a long process. Who can just say one sentence and then the girl will tell you.
How should I know?
Oh,
have you tried?
So sure.
Have you tried?
I know.
What try now? Let's get to the girl. Let's go straight to the point. There's no need to beat around the bush. Yanko girl is so straight. You get my point. Let's get to the girl. She's the only problem right now. Opoku is not an option. Opoku is a secondary matter. Let's talk about the primary matters. See, I tell you something I'm not my friends. Aroma has to see how when I'm a girl about I don't know about it. She can't do anything about it. And then even if the Aroma or plans of going out together. It's true because right now I want to get one of your friends. So I better back it down.
That's a point though, but when I was your friend, Aroma didn't back out. He still went.
That was before. That was when you were so. I'm American. Practice is not practice. Be smart.
Bass.
Oh. You're always calm and relaxed.
I've heard you. I think what you're saying is also not a bad idea.
Do you understand?
It's just going to be long for me.
You cannot remember that sorry no. It's long for you.
See, I only Opoku your besties. And it's closer to it's closer to Aroma. So when I get close, they will all suspect that that's the reason. I don't want to look like that girl.
Nobody will suspect anything. Yeah, that girl's in here now. Are they? Some girls did here. And no man should touch. No, I'm not Gary. Oh, see, I know it's up to you.
I've heard you.
I'm a daughter has said, so if you want to listen to me, my friends are in call. I'm not going to come and my uncle.
Wow.
Sorry.